Balika Vidya Mandir Inter College Chalabiga. I'm student of class 12 and also team leader of Team A. Today we are on a survey as our holiday homework to ask some strangers about co-education is better or separate education is better. So now we are asking strangers. So and what type of education is better? Co-education or actually I myself have completed education, but from my experience I believe that co-education is much better as compared to our gender education. As we study from the co-educator, then there is special benefits of the girls, like the confidence building, like Mr. Girl Power from the girls school. Then there is that girls needs time development for the boys, and that gender friendly quality we can get from the co-ed school. So I believe that confidence building that is major, and also the girls get comfortable with the boys, and it's also with the family also. Like the students who are in girls school, they do not think that the surrounding of the boys is also necessary. So for the women environment also, I think that
On a survey, and our topic is co-education is good better than separate school. So my question is single gender school reduce distractions and improve academic focus? I think it could reduce distraction, but I think it's also important for boys and girls to get to know each other, so they know how to treat each other respectfully. Because if there's no exposure to the opposite gender, then I think it gets difficult later on in life for them to relate. So maybe like co-education, but to have like proper boundaries, healthy boundaries set, where everyone needs to wear certain clothes, and maybe the boys and the girls sit separately, and so there's like healthy boundaries, but they still get to know each other, so they know how to treat each other with respect.
So your mean is the co-education is better?
I would say, yeah, with healthy boundaries, co-education with healthy boundaries.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
That is your name?
Oni.
That's a pretty name.
Thank you. And your name?
My name is Ashish.
which do you think is more beneficial, co-education and separate education?
I think that co-education is better. I mean, maybe because I'm from Europe and our schools we mix boys and girls, and it's fine because we learn to grow up in respect and play and say one to each other. Yeah, we don't need to be separate.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure.
Co-education better purpose students for world social and professional environment wise.
I think co-education actually better prepares for the students for the real, because I think that कि अगर हम मान के चलते हैं कि एक कोई भी बॉक्स है, हम उसको खोलते हैं किसी बच्चे को दे देते हैं कि ये बॉक्स है, इसको संभाल के रखो, तो जब तक हम उसी को खोलेंगे नहीं ना, तो बच्चों को ये रहेगा कि पता नहीं इसमें क्या होगा, पता नहीं इसमें क्या होगा, क्या होगा, क्या होगा। मान लो उसमें कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें जो उनके लिए अच्छी नहीं हुई, ठीक है, बट फिर भी उन्हें ये रहेगा कि हम उसमें शायद पता नहीं क्या हो, शायद पता नहीं क्या हो। बट अगर वही हमने ऐसे बिल्कुल ओपनली खोल के दिखा दें कि हाँ एक्चुअली इसमें ये है, तो उनकी जो क्यूरियोसिटी है ना, क्यूरियोसिटी है वो खत्म हो जाएगी। तो इस तरह से अगर हम सेपरेट रखेंगे बच्चों को एजुकेशन नहीं देंगे, सेपरेट एजुकेशन देंगे, तो उनके मन में एक खाई पैदा होती रहेगी, जिससे जो है ना हमारा सोशल स्ट्रक्चर बिगड़ जाएगा। बट एक्चुअली में सोशली हमें सबको एक साथ ही रहना है, तो क्यों ना उसकी शुरुआत स्कूल से ही हो। और को एजुकेशन के नाम पे ये नहीं होना चाहिए स्कूलों में कि को एजुकेशन तो है, लड़कियों की लाइन अलग है, लड़कों की लाइन अलग है, बात करना मना है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए। आई थिंक एक बेटर सोसाइटी बनाने के लिए हमें दोनों को एक साथ मिलने जुलने का मौका देना चाहिए, ताकि वो अच्छे से अपने वर्ड को समझ सकें। हाँ, एक्चुअली आई थिंक दैट को एजुकेशन इज मच 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 बेटर देन सेपरेट एजुकेशन।
So my question is, in today's evolving society, do you think single gender education still holds relevance? Why?
I think it is not relevant to the single gender because there are multiple genders within our society, and that's totally okay with us that multiple genders can be equally relevant to us.
Hello?
And we do not have any existence to the single involving them, I guess.
Which system do you think encourage better classroom discipline, co-education or single gender? Support your answer.
I think co-education is a better option because there boys and girls, they get to meet each other and they get to solve their problems together, and so therefore the freedom is also there, so later on it's not a problem for both of them. So I will definitely support co-education.
Thank you so much. Do you believe single gender schools reduce distraction and improve academic focus? Explain your views.
I don't think so, because once you go in a co-education school, you will develop your personality as per that, how to deal with boys. So if you are already in a single gender school, you develop a certain type of personality that after graduating from school, you don't know how to deal with boys, how to talk to them, or how to deal with society as norms. So I think it depends on the person. If he is or she is into education and developing their personality, doesn't matter if they are in co-ed or single gender.